Antonia again from Voodoo Molly Vintage. If you've got some canework or basketry or rattan furniture that you would like to paint with vintage paint, I've got a really helpful technique today that's going to make your life so much easier. Everyone knows how hard it is to paint rattan furniture, particularly with a brush. So if you can't spray paint it, or use a spray gun, I should say, the easiest way to do this with a brush is to find a really old scungy brush that's gone a little bit stiff and the bristles are quite short, and that way when you put the vintage paint on the brush, you can pretty much fist it in your hand and scrub into the canework, and that will really force the paint in amongst all of the ins and outs and the nooks and crannies of the canework.